How can new energy vehicles achieve lightweighting? We will start from 3 directions: structure, materials, and processes. Advanced laser welding technology is precisely the key step in enhancing lightweight structures. Creator's voice. New energy vehicle laser manufacturing. Laser spiral spot welding intelligent equipment. Due to the drawbacks of traditional resistance spot welding technology, high equipment investment, low production efficiency, unstable quality. Therefore, more efficient laser spot welding processes have also emerged. In order to enhance process adaptability, achieve contactless connection, produce densely packed and widely distributed welding points, HG Laser has developed the first laser spiral spot welding intelligent equipment in China. Utilizing programmable spiral line trajectories for quick and precise matching. Employing clamps to apply pressure on both sides to ensure gap consistency. Utilizing the heat generated by lens focusing to melt and weld steel plates on one side. This configuration allows for greater flexibility and effectively welds 3 to 4 layers of sheets. The comprehensive welding efficiency has increased by over 3 times. The strength has increased by 30%, effectively enhancing the torsional rigidity of the vehicle body. It is now widely applied in the welding of B-pillars, hatch panels, crash beams, bumpers, exhaust pipes, battery tray frames, and more. In the future, this industrial manufacturing technology will lead a revolutionary change in lightweighting for new energy vehicles.